Hello everyone, let's learn how to write a Python program to check if a number is an Armstrong number or not. A number is said to be an Armstrong number if the sum of its own digits raised to the power number of digits gives the number itself. In the case of an Armstrong number of 3 digits, the sum of cubes of each digit is equal to the number itself. Here in the Armstrong function, we find the number of digits of the entered value with the help of string length function. We have stored our n value in a temporary variable so that we can use it for further processes without affecting the original value. We are using a while loop which runs till the value of our temp is greater than 0. Within the loop, we are separating the number into digits, finding the power of it and adding it to the sum val to form a new number. Once the loop is over, we'll check if our n value is equal to the newly formed number. If yes, we return true. If not, false.